This Road Dirt presentation is brought to you by Law Tigers, motorcycle lawyers. Find them at lawtigers.com. On this episode of Road Dirt, we do a seat swap on a Royal Enfield Classic 650. Stay tuned. Hey, this is Rob with Road Dirt, and we're going to do a series on the Royal Enfield Classic 650. We're going to install some parts for the bike that supplied to us by Royal Enfield, and we're going to start with what I think is a super beautiful piece of equipment, a signature OEM seat. Let's get started. All right, to get the passenger pillion off, it's that bolt right there in the back. And there's a number 5. It is not fun to try to get to without hitting the rear fender. But it's doable. All right, so underneath the seat there, up by the tank, there's where the seat bolts are. That's left side and right side. You're going to need a 14 millimeter for both sides to get them off. All right, old seat, new seat. And this is the bracket that you have to, once you get the seat off, you've got to take the bracket off of the old seat to mount it on the new seat. But I just discovered something else. Each one of these needs to come off as well. All right, with each one of these, you're going to have to pry it off with the screwdriver. I'll put the camera down so I can pry each one of them off. Well, they come off easy enough, and then you just snap them in, and now we can actually screw the plate into it. Line up the plate, drop the screws in, and start it back together. All right, all together now. Now to go back on the bike. So the accessory signature seat is absolutely beautiful. It really matches the bike very well. It's just a pain to get the old ones off because there's no instructions anywhere, at least at the time of this recording, you know, that I was able to find on the web. I mean, I had to, through trial and error, find the rear bolt for the passenger and then find those 2 bolts right there, you know, for the rider. And then you take it off and you have to swap the bracket, and then to swap the bracket, you've got to swap the little inserts. So it's quite a job, but I think it's worth it. Beautiful. All right, so this turned out to be a little bit more of a job than we thought. Just to kind of reiterate, first of all, right now, as of this video, Royal Enfield doesn't have any current install videos on and how-to instructions on, at least on the seat that we've determined right now. But I know that's coming. So you're going to need a number 5 hex for the rear to get the bolt out of the rear. You're going to need a 14 for the 2 bolts that bolt the rider seat on. And then I guess that's right. Yeah, actually the number 5 actually works for the plate that you have to remount underneath as well. So a number 14 socket and a number 5 hex, and you'll get the job done. So actually, it's a great looking seat, man. This thing looks fantastic. It's a beautiful seat. And I believe it's actually about a ½ an inch lower than the stock seat. So I look forward to taking it for a ride and see if I actually can plant my feet a little bit flat-footed on it, better than the stock seat. So hey, more to come. Stay tuned with us here at Road Dirt. Like, subscribe, and leave some comments. Ring that bell so you can get notifications about future content with us. And next one up will be the mirrors and the foot pegs. Stick around.